From CBS 4, this is Colorado Review.
Welcome to Colorado Review. I'm Tracy Dixon. After getting in a car accident, getting an aggressive attorney to protect your interests and maximize your recovery is critical, especially considering that the insurance company hires and trains claim representatives to minimize your injuries. Joining me today is Kevin Flesch, managing partner at Flesch Beck Law, one of Colorado's top personal injury firms. Kevin is regarded as one of the top litigators in personal injury matters in the state. Welcome, Kevin.
Thank you, Tracy.
Why is it so important for someone to retain an attorney right after an accident?
So right after being injured in a car accident, there are lots of things that occur, the most important of which is getting medical treatment and then also most likely doing a recorded statement with the insurance company. Those are critical things that are going to be used later for evidence in your case, and there are things that we can help a person through that process to make sure they can maximize their recovery.
So this can all sound expensive. How does someone hire you?
Yeah, so we handle our cases on a contingency. So the person actually doesn't have to put up any money to have us represent them. We get paid when we recover money for the injured party.
And during that time, what services do you provide?
Yeah, we help them through the whole process. So we help make sure that they get the medical treatment that they need, that we gather all the evidence that is necessary to prove their claims. We provide all of the assistance necessary to make sure that the damages are corroborated, that it's clear that they're not the at-fault party, and that they get a maximum amount of money for what has happened to them.
Kevin, how can your law firm guarantee a better recovery?
Yeah, so what we do is we help going through this process, we help make sure that the normal personal injury plaintiff doesn't fall into those trappings that sometimes happen. And then we also help them on the back end, once we've settled the case, to minimize the amount that they have to pay back to certain insurance companies. So in essence, they get more in their pocket.
So if someone wants to start this process, what do they do?
They give us a call. We have free consultations. We can meet in person or by video and make sure that there's a fit for both the firm and the client. And then we have them sign the fee agreement and we move forward that way.
All very important, and it all sounds good. Thank you, Kevin. Flesch Beck Law can help you. They specialize in protecting injured victims from car accidents, premises liability, and negligent acts. Contact Flesch Beck for your free consultation by calling 303-806-8886. That's 303-806-8886 or online at fleschlawfirm.com. Thank you for joining us today. This segment is sponsored by Flesch Beck Law. For more information, visit us at cbsdenver.com/Colorado Review. We'll see you next time.